2020 GMC Terrain. With less than 26,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Designed with its driver and passengers in mind, with features like these: lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, turbocharged engine, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, HID headlights, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, power outlet, keyless entry, front bucket seats. Enjoy a test drive and experience it for yourself now.